question. Let me see who will say first. Proceed. Fastness matters. By reading the first line itself, you have to answer the first part. Next. These two questions you should answer without solving anything. That is what the skill will come now. Now it will come. What is the importance of learning that? This is different. This is third part. First two parts you have to solve it. Answer first. First part answer.
Sir, show the question, sir.
I said first part answer. An object is placed at a distance of 100 centimeter from a converging lens of focal length 40 centimeter. Converging lens in the
So focal length is equal to 40 centimeter. Convex lens, sir.
So
Focal length is 40 centimeter.
Wait. Converging lens. So F is equals to positive. Understanding? 40
Yes, sir.
centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no question, sir.
2F is
2F is really 80 centimeter.
80 centimeters, sir.
understanding. So object is placed at minus 100 centimeter.
Minus 100 centimeter.
Minus 100
So V
centimeter.
also will be minus.
Yeah, what is the nature of the image? Greater than 2F. Object is placed between greater than 2F. 2F. So what is that?
Beyond 2F, sir.
Yeah, beyond 2F. Object is placed
Beyond 2F.
beyond 2F. Case number. Case 5.
V.
Case
5
5.
also.
5 means what? Real,
Real, inverted,
real inverted
and diminished.
Diminished.
Is it yes or no? Diminished.
Yes, sir.
And it is what? Where the position?
Formed beyond the.
Position between F and 2F.
Between F and 2F.
That's very good. Do it fast. That is the answer of first question. Second question. Second question. What is the position of the image? Position already you have answered.
Same, sir. Between 2F and.
Yeah, position.
Oh, beyond 2F.
Between F and
So
2F.
image only now, sir, they are asking.
Between F and 2F.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it. Case 5.
Sir, show the question, sir.
Wait.
No question.
Object is beyond 2F dash. 2F dash. Correct or not? 2F dash. 2F dash. F dash. That is what you should remember. Do it now. Do you understand? The first two questions answered, and third question is
Sir.
Sir, nature of the image means magnification only, sir.
Nature of the image is magnification. That's all. It is real, inverted, and diminished image. That's all. Understand? Real, diminished,
Yes,
and
sir.
real, inverted, and diminished image. That is nature. Understand, Varshini? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
That is the nature. Okay. So now remaining is there. That is what you should remember. So what is the position they are asking? Second question, what is the position they are asking? So what is the position? Position is what? Beyond.
Between F and 2F.
Correct or not? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
position of the image is between F and 2F, sir. Position of the
Yes, sir.
object is beyond the F. sir.
Beyond.
2F. Beyond
2F,
2F.
sir.
Beyond 2F.
Beyond 2F.
Yeah, because 2F is 80 and object is what? Minus 100.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
More than
I
2F.
confused. Yes,
More
sir.
than 2F dash. Understanding? More than 2F dash. 2F dash is 80. Understanding? F dash is 40. So more than 2F dash. 100 here it is there. So here we have placed the object. So here we have placed the lens. So image will come between here. F dash, sorry, F and 2F. Do you understand?
2F.
Here the image will come. Is it okay, Ra? That is the character.
Yes, sir.
So case number 5 only it is. Correct or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So now with the help of same thing, a convex lens produces an inverted image magnified 3 times. Magnified how many times? 3 times.
3 times.
Magnified
3 times.
Understanding? Inverted. Inverted means what? Inverted. Magnification equals to real or virtual? Inverted. Inverted.
Real, sir.
image.
Real,
Minus,
real.
sir.
Minus.
Minus.
Understanding? Placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from it, calculate the focal length of the lens they are asking. So let us proceed now. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So very simple. So can you able to say the given data? Third question, all of you. Same lens, convex lens. So convex lens. So given image is equals to what? Image real. So real and 3 times.
Real.
3 times. Understanding? 3 times magnified. 3 times magnified. So that m is equals to what, Kevin? Arya. M is equals to minus
-3.
-3.
and after asking us to calculate object distance they have given minus 15 centimeter. They are asking f is equals to how much? Is it yes or no? Purinjicha,
Sir.
all of you.
First V, sir. M is equal to V
Now
by
you know
U.
that magnification is equals to -3, which is
V
equals to
by
v by u, which is equals to -3, which is equals
-3. V by minus
which
15.
is equals to -3. So v is
-3 is equal to V, sir.
understanding. V is
V
equals
is equal to minus
to
3 into
-3.
minus
V is
15.
equals to how much, Ra? -3 into -15
Plus 45.
plus
45.
centimeter.
45, sir.
45 centimeter.
So you verify here. Do you understanding or not? Plus 45.
Yes, sir.
Understanding, because it is forming real image. Real image means what is the sign convention, please? Sign convention, please. Real image.
V is positive, sir.
V is positive.
F is positive. Understanding. And understanding, magnification is -3. So magnification is greater than 1. Is it yes or no? And M is equals to -1. Minus. Because it is what? Real image. Is it yes or no? Real image. That is. So now, calculate focal length, all of you, lens formula.
Sir, 11.25.
Very good. Wait. 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by f is equals to. It must come how much? Now, focal length must come how much? Can you able to say? Focal length must come how much? Less than object distance or more than object distance?
Less than object distance, sir. Less than object
That is
distance.
what. Focal length must come less than object distance. That is what the thing you should identify. So then definitely understand value should come less than -15. Means 15, not sign convention. So your answer is correct. How much? Who said answer? 1 by v is equals to?
Sir, Nidinath, sir.
Is equals to, okay, ma. Very nice. So -15. So which is equals to 1 by f, which is equals to what is that? Tell me fastly. 1 by 45. And minus into minus.
Plus 1 by 15. Plus 1 by 15.
Understanding? So
45 is the
it is
LCM.
equals to 1 by f, which is equals to 45 is the LCM, which will take 1 plus 3. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now 1 by f is equals to 4 by 45 and f is equals to 45 by 4, which is equals to how much?
11.25.
11.25 plus 11.25. Understand? Centimeter. So this answer is what? Less than object distance. Is it accepted or not? So our answer is correct.
Yes.
I have to verify. F is positive or negative? F is positive or negative? Converging.
Positive.
Positive.
That is what our answer. All of you should. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
Tina, Tarani Pushpa, Humaira, no response at all. Silent. Sitting. Like this means what is the use? Anusri, you are solving or not also, I don't know. If you are coming directly, I can focus on everybody. But silently, I don't know. Dilipan, no response. Yalni, no response. Okay. More effectively, I need. Like if you see the question, you should say the answer. Like last year, few students, like gems, I can call them. Light chapter, nobody will defeat them. Let it be. Someone will top or doesn't matter. I don't care it also. You people, if you try well, you people easily can get it. That is what I will say, all of you. Solve it. You have got it.
Sir, please show the third subdivision, sir.
Third subdivision question alone I will say. Solve the answer. So
Yes,
understand
sir.
the question, all of you. Those who not understanding. Arvind, do you understand, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Inverted indicate what? Inverted indicate what? Inverted indicate real.
Negative.
Understand?
Real image.
Real image. Inverted indicates real image. Or else now I am saying, remember, few times the people will say screen. Understanding? Whenever they will say word called as screen, by the time also it is real image. Do you understanding, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you will see a word called as screen, then also it is real image only. Because real image is only possible to project on screen. Is it yes or no? First I have taught you. Differences between virtual and real image. Do you understanding? Virtual image
Yes,
is
sir.
not possible possible to project on screen. Real image, it is possible to project on screen. So that is why real image means you should remember it may be inverted and also they will give you screen. Is it okay, Ra? Once if it is completed, you tell me. Have you completed, Pranita? Nizam?
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Final statement, Pranav. Tell me the statement, Ra, for this question. The focal length of the given lens is hence
11.25.
hence
1.25 centimeter.
11.25.
the focal length of the ocular fund. Do you understanding ocular fund? Given lens is 11.25 centimeter. That's all. That is all.
And it is real and inverted
Already
magnification.
they have given in question. You will no need to worry. Already given it is not required. Understand? If it is given in question, it is not required. Remember that. Arun Karthikeyan. Wait, finish it fast means you tell me. If anybody want to ask me, sir, I have doubt in this question. Sir, how you solve? Please now itself you ask me. Later, if you are silent, it is not even your school class. You have a full freedom to ask now. Even 10 times also I am ready to explain. The only thing is my children should be able to solve. That is what I want. That's all. If it is completed, you tell me, we'll go to next one. Anybody
Yes,
want
sir,
to ask me? Please kindly ask me. Prahasini, do you understand in Prahasini? This is for convex lens. Convex lens. 4 sign conventions you should remember. Not one sign convention. Be very careful. 4 sign conventions you should remember. So this is one of the sign convention. Let me see next sum. Who will answer? Shall we go for it next sum?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in this third question, what is the nature of the image, sir?
What nature? Third subdivision.
Yes, sir.
Third subdivision.
The object is placed between F and 2F, sir.
That is position.
Yes, sir.
Position is
Position of object, sir.
Position is yes. Object is placed F 11.25 means 22.23. 2F is 23. So it is between F and 2F.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because object is
Okay, sir.
correct, so it is between 2F. That is between F and 2F. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next sum. Shall we start? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ray diagram. For this sum, ray diagram also needed. So let me say. Who will say case? Who will say? Let me see. First, I will wait. I won't say. Let me see who will say. So this is the case. If all will say with that, then only I will approach. Anybody? What is the case?
Sir, position of the object is beyond 2F. Sir.
Minus 25.
That is,
Focal length is 10
I don't want
centimeter.
that. They are asking, also draw the ray diagram. So what you understand, which case will come, what is the sign convention, everything. Fastly solunga.
Fifth case, sir.
Case number 5. Is it accepted, everybody? Case number 5. Real inverted, diminished
Yes,
image.
sir.
And diminished, sir.
What do you have? No.
Diminished, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So case number 5 it is. You verify. How you verified case number 5?
Sir, because
Because
object is
the
beyond
focal
2F,
length
sir.
is 10 centimeter, 2F is 20 centimeter. So the image is 25 centimeter, so it is beyond it 2F, sir.
Others also. Will you accept with her? Answer, Kevin. Dina. Now you see. An object 5 centimeter high held 25 centimeter away from converging lens. What is the meaning of converging lens?
Convex
Convex
lens.
lens. Convex
Our
lens.
focal length 10 centimeter. So that is what the first thing we should know. So height of the object is equals to Ashika plus 5 centimeter. Next object distance is equals to minus 25 centimeter.
Minus 25
Focal
centimeter.
length is equals to plus 10
10.
centimeter. So if we come to know, immediately 2F is equals to how much? 20
20 centimeter.
So object is C. Object distance is, understanding, object distance is greater than F. Means in the sense of, greater than 2F. Means in the sense of it is what? Case number 5. Case 5. Is it true or not? Is it
Yes,
true or
sir.
not? So case 5.
Yes,
So
sir.
real image, all the characteristics tell me. Real,
Real, inverted, and
Inverted,
diminished
diminished
image.
image.
Diminished image.
diminished, understanding, diminished and position is position between F and 2F.
Yes, sir. Position of image.
F and 2F. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now sign convention, V is positive because it is real, correct or not? V is positive
sir.
because it is real.
Positive.
Next,
Phi is negative.
magnification is negative because it is
Negative.
real. Next, magnification is, it is diminished. Diminished means
Less than 1. Less than 1.
and height of the object,
Negative.
And
Negative.
so these are the things you should verify. So now, shall we proceed? Shall we proceed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
You understand, Ra?
Yes,
Now
sir.
our mind is clear. Now you proceed. Please, all of you kindly. We want to find the image position now first. So what they are asking, check it. Understand? Find the position, size, and the nature of the image form. Also draw the ray diagram. So which ray diagram will draw? Case 5 ray diagram. Will you able to draw case 5 ray diagram? That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
So 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Square.
1 by V.
Lens formula. So you tell me 1 by V is equals to 1 by F plus 1 by U. 1 by U. So 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. F equals to how much? 10 centimeter plus object is minus 25. Is it true or not? Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
please tell me. So 1 by V
50
is
is
equal
the
to
LCM, sir. 50 is the
1
LCM.
by 10 minus 1 by 25. So now 1 by V is equals to LCM is how much? 50.
50.
So here minus 2. So now V is equals to 1 by V is equals to 3 by 50. Is it yes or no? Which is equals to V is equals to 50 by 3 centimeter. So keep it V by like this only. So definitely what is the value? What is the value V equals to? Do it.
Sir, 1 by F plus 1 by U only, sir. Plus only, sir.
1 by F only, Ra. Later it will become minus, Ra. My object
Okay,
distance
sir.
is minus. Plus into minus, minus, Ra. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you have done wrong, you get wrong answer. No issues. Now 50 by 3 equals to how much, Ra? No.
16.6. 16.6. 16.6.
Centimeter. Now you verify. Object is between F1 to F or not. You check it. It is less
Yes,
than
sir.
to F, correct or not? More than F and less than to F,
Yes, sir.
correct or not? So your answer is correct. And V is positive or negative? V is positive or negative?
Positive.
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 Your answer is correct or not? That's all. Your answer is correct. No need to worry. Next, over. Next, magnification. Magnification solanga. Magnification is equals to V by U. Understand? Equals to V equals to 50 by 3 centimeter and divided by object distance is minus 15 centimeter, minus 25 centimeter. Is it yes or no? So now 75 will get cancelled, divided by 1 will be there. So 50 by 3 into 1 by 25. Is it yes or no? Minus. So now 25 ones are 25 twos are. So which is equals to how much? 2 by 3. Magnification is equals to minus 2 by 3, which is equals to how much?
0.66.
Minus 0.66.
0.66.
So is it negative or not? Verify. M is equals to
Yes,
negative.
sir.
M is equals to negative and also less than 1. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's all.
sir.
My answer is correct. Next what? Height of the object, height of the image. So height of the image divided by height of the object equals to magnification. So height of the image is equals to magnification into height of the object. So look fastly. Magnification is minus 0. How much? 66. Minus 0.66 into height of the object. How much, Ra? Height of the
5,
object.
sir.
Huh?
Plus 5.
Plus 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter. Understanding? So multiply it and tell me fast, all of it.
3.3, sir.
How much?
3.3. Minus
Minus
3.3.
3.3 centimeter.
3 centimeter.
Yeah, minus 3 points. So minus indicating what it is? Minus indicating what? It is
Inverted. Inverted.
and
Real
real.
and inverted.
That's all. So less than. So you may observe here. At finally you can write height of the image is less than height of the object. So that magnification is also less than 1. Is it verified or not? That's all. So anybody having any doubt, you ask me. Solve it. Solve it. Do you understand, Anusri?
Ray diagram.
What, Ra?
The ray diagram.
Huh?
Ray diagram.
Ray diagram you draw. That is what I am saying. After solving this case 5 ray diagram of case 5, will you able to draw it or not? Shall I need to draw?
Yes, sir.
You draw. I don't need to draw, I think, correct? So you take it as your own choice. Case number 5 alone you draw. So just imagine this is F f dash, and this is 2f dash, and this side f, and
F2F.
2f. So image will form here. So somewhere you take the object here,
F2F.
understanding. So which will pass us through the optical center. Next one, which is parallel. So which will go through focus. So they will meet at here. Is it okay, Ra? Understand? So that is you can
Yes,
write.
sir.
And you can mention here object distance equals to 25 centimeter. Next, optical center. So focal length equals to how much the focal length? F equals to
16 is equal to 10, sir. 10.
huh?
10. 10.
10.
10.
10
Yes,
centimeter.
10.
And object image distance equals to 16.6.
16.6.
Like this you can mention. That's all. Is it okay, Ra? So that is what. All of you do it.
So 1 minute, sir, don't change.
If you need anything, till now anybody having any help, you ask me please. Any doubt at anywhere, you please kindly ask me. No confusion at all. Very clear regarding convex lens. Prasini, are you clear or not, Prasini? Please respond me. You understanding Yaswardhini? Dina, Tarani, Pushpa?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Who will solve hundreds of sums. But the thing is, if you are unable to solve it, then what is the use of practicing this much? That is what I am saying. So you have to improve your ability. Everybody must improve your ability. Numerical means no confusion, no mistake. You confidently should say, yes, sir, I have done correctly after the exam. So many will come with half mind in the sense of either I have done correct or not, I have done correct or not. That mind should not. We have to be confidently have to go for next question. That is what I am saying. So at every stage you have to verify the sign convention. So that suppose Arvind, I think Arvind said that, sir, V equals, sir, here it is plus 1 by u, sir. I have taken 1 by only, but here see, later it will become minus, but he said plus. So if you have done mistake, definitely here V will come negative. So by that time only you can understand that, okay, somewhere I have done wrong. So we don't need to go for next 3 things. Is it yes or no? So we will stop it, we will
Yes.
verify there itself. So we don't need to solve all the things. But 90% children will verify at the end. But by the time, no use. Because our time will be wasted. Correct or not? That is.
Yes, sir.
So at every stage, we have to verify. Every stage. Perfectness. Efficiency should come there. That is. Do you understanding all of you? Solve
Yes,
it. Draw the ray diagram, case number 5. No need to worry, sir. Then it is 50 centimeters. That is not. You just draw the case number 5 and verify the distances. You are just mention it. That's all. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
That is. So next question. Let me see. Next question, who will say? Ready?
Yes, sir.
I won't solve. You solve it and you tell me the answer. I will confirm it. That's all. Everybody solve. Don't speak. Solve it. Solve your own. Here in this question they are asking which case of image also. Case also you should say. So that is the importance of it. From first we are doing the same thing, correct? We are finding every time case. So here itself also you can find the case. So they are asking at last which case of image formation by convex lens is illustrated by this example. So directly you can say. Let me see who will say.
Sir, we can say now.
Wait, you solve, you proceed. You solve, don't waste time. Let me say I'm giving 2 minutes time. Let me see who will solve first. Everybody, it's a challenge time. There is nothing I'm understanding. Only few fellows will solve, few cannot. Everybody must try. Same kind of lens, same thing I'm giving every time. Why can't you solve it? That is what I'm asking. Arya, Karthikeyan, Pradav, Dina, this much time. Kevin, no use, Ra. Okay,
Sir, can I say? Sir,
wait. You wait. Humaira, Humaira, I will ask. Humaira, are you there in meeting? Pranita? Solve it. Just you wait, Padmarshini. You solve, you confirm. If you have to say wrong, I will finish you. Again, I am saying you. You must say correctly. Understanding? Verify once again. Answer. This much time. Nobody. How many of you saw it, please? One at least. Kevin? Humaira? Yashwardhini? Nobody. Very bad it is. Anusri? Are you there? Akshaya, Varshini also. What? Varshini, you also? Not at all responding. Arvind Ganapati, Arun Garadagayan. What is this? No use. So an object 2 centimeter tall is placed the axis. Understand, placed on the axis of a convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter at a distance of 10 meters from the optical center of the lens. Understand? So 10 meters.
So height of the object is 2 centimeter.
So wait. So it is 10 meters. It is at infinity distance. Wait. So given
Sir, V is 5 centimeter.
object height of the object is equals to 2 centimeter. Next, focal length is
Focal length is
plus
5 centimeter.
You know, F
2F is 10 centimeter.
So, but
U is minus 10 centimeter.
minus 10 meters. I have to
Meter,
put.
minus 10 meter.
So meter.
Centimeter.
Here also case 5
Here.
only, sir.
No. Yeah, that is also correct. It is actually minus 10 centimeter. Centimeter. C is missing. You can type that. Centimeter. Understand? So because
So it is same as 2F, sir.
so same as here. So now you proceed. What is happening? So now you may observe here. So 2F and 2F is equals to object.
2F is equal to U.
So 2F is equal to the distance. So what is the magnification?
V is equal to positive.
Case number.
Case
Case
five.
number.
Case
Case number 4.
three.
Case
Of course
number
there is.
4. V is equals to positive. Next, height of the image is equals to negative. Understanding? Magnification is equals to minus 1. Is it yes or no?
Negative, it should
Magnification is
be.
equals to minus 1. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, because height of the image is equals to height of the object. That's all. So now start solving. Start solving, all of you. That is what the thing I am saying. So height of the next magnification lens formula. Lens formula is equal to what? 1 by F, which is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by V. Understanding? So start solving. 1 by 10. So now, so 1 by F is equals to 1 by V. How much ra? So we want to calculate 1 by V, correct? So position we want to calculate.
1 by
So
F
1 by V. 1
plus
by
1
F
by U.
plus 1 by V. So 1 by F equals
So
to
1 by 5
1 by
minus 1 by 10
minus 1 by 10. Understand?
by
So
10.
1 by V is equals to 1 by 5 minus
1 by 10.
10. So 1 by V is equals to 10 is the thing. So here 2 minus 1.
10 centimeters, sir.
So 1 by V is equals to 1 by 10. V is equals to 10 centimeter. So is it equals to 2F? Verify. Is it equals to 2F? Is it equals to 2F or not? 2F. Correct or not?
Sir.
Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
image also placed, understanding V equals to 10 centimeters. So from that I can say object distance is equals to image distance. Is it yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
magnification is equals to V by U, which is equals to what? 10 centimeter divided by minus 10 centimeter. So centimeter will get cancelled. What is that? M is equals to minus
minus 1.
that is M is equals to minus 1. Is our answer is correct or not? Verify. All of you.
Yes, sir.
So this is okay. Next, what is that? Next, height of the
Height
image
of-
is equal to divide by height of
M
the
is equal to height of image by height of
so height of the
object.
image is equals to magnification into height of the object, which is equals to minus 1 into 2 centimeter, which is equals to minus 2 centimeter.
Minus 2 centimeter.
So, this is what. So it is illustrating the which example? It is
Case
illustrating which
four.
case number 4 means that is the answer you should write for this.
Yes, sir.
Understanding? It is illustrating the understanding case of image formed by convex lens. Understanding which illustrating when the object is placed at when the object is placed at 2f dash. When the object is placed at 2f dash, then image will form. Then image will form. Image will form where? At 2f.
2f dash. 2f 2f.
At 2f. Right side, Ra. That is what. Do you understand, Ra? Are you understanding? That is what you should write at the final. Is there any doubt? Anybody ask? That is what it's writing. It is illustrating that. It illustrating the case of when we place the object, understanding, placed object at 2f dash, then image will form at 2f. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
2f. So in this
Sir.
case, so now let me see who will say what is the, now in this case add one more question, and question I'm adding, what is the distance between image and object? Next subdivision, what is the distance between image and object? What is the
5 centimeters.
wrong? What is the distance between V and U? V and U I am asking. So be very careful and tell me. V and U. So middle lens will be there, and this is the object distance. Object distance is somewhere
Sir,
here.
no.
Understanding? No, not. Here is the image will form. What are you talking? That is what I said so many times.
6
This is the object
centimeters, sir.
distance. This is 10 centimeter, and here also it is 10 centimeter. So this is what
Yes,
the total
sir.
distance I am asking. So what is the total distance from
20.
here to here?
20 centimeter. 20 centimeter.
10 plus 10, which is equals to 20 centimeter.
20.
Understanding is the distance between what? Distance between object distance and
Object distance and image
but
distance.
in the case of mirror, what will happen, Ra? Both will form at the same location. So by that time, what is that?
So,
By that time,
Zero.
zero. Understanding? Zero. Object distance and image distance between them, V is equals to 0. Do you understanding? In the case of mirrors, in the case of mirror, lens opposite side it will form so that it is double of the object distance. Is it okay? This is also one of the
Yes,
most
sir.
important question. Note it down, all of you. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes.
Solve it. You have to solve. That is what I want. You add this question also. What is the distance between object, image and object? Okay, Ra? Clear?
yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you can ask. So now last sum for today's class. I will give you the homework. Now, at least are you getting the confidence? Can you able to solve the numericals at least like that confidence? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
If you are getting, okay. If not, only the problem. Still anybody is having, sir, still I am having problem. Anybody like this you take? Is there anybody? You tell me. So this is the homework sum. You can solve and send me before 6:30 also, or else before 6:25 also, not an issue. So this is the homework sum. Or else you can send before night also. Whatever it is, depend upon your interest. Those who are sending now, you have more interest on numericals. If not, you are lazy. That's all. So solve it and send me. That is the answer I need. Okay, Ra?
Sir, so 1 minute, sir.
I will post in group also, don't worry. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Do you have
Thank
confidence? If one or two will speak, then I will be happy. Do you understanding or not? Please tell me. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, Kevin, not an issue.
Sir, please send the questions, sir.
I will send you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Kevin, height of the object, how much you got, Ra? If will take 1000. Kevin? Kevin, are you there? Thank you, everybody. You can leave from the meeting.